Hey, what is going on YouTube? So we're gonna make um, this is an intro video to this to-do app that we're gonna make. We're gonna use React. We're gonna use GraphQL. We're gonna use Apollo. We're gonna use MongoDB, and a bunch of other stuff is gonna be mixed in there. But it's a basic to-do app, and this is it. We're gonna deploy it to the web on Heroku. We're going to build it in Microsoft Visual Studio Code, but you can use whatever editor you want. I really recommend Visual Studio Code. You're going to be able to check the to-dos, and they're going to go from completed to not completed. You're going to be able to delete to-dos like that. You're going to be able to add to-dos by coming over here and saying new to-do is whatever I want. And that's all going to be saved to a database. And you're even going to have specialized features like this right here, where you can add a to-do like this. New to-do, please. And you can add it like that via your voice. You're going to have an option here where you can play it back.
Your to-do list. New to-do please. New Toto is whatever I want. Record bonus video 4. Deploy the to-do app to Heroku. Go to the grocery store and buy some eggs. Milk the cow face, walk the dogs. Add speech recognition to the to-do application. Go to the gym and work out. Go on a job interview at Google. Learn how to use speech synthesis. That is all, folks. Thank you.
So it's not your average to-do app. Everything is, and Material UI. We're going to use Material UI. That's what this button and all this graphics are here with the icons and everything. So everything is up to date. We're talking June 2018 right now. It's all the very latest and greatest JavaScript, and it's for beginners. Watch line by line as I code. You can code along with me. It's in 10-minute chunks. So you can, do a couple and come back to it whenever you want. You don't have to do it all at once. All the videos are uploaded to YouTube right now. All the code is at GitHub. All the links are in the video descriptions. And hey, if you want to learn how to integrate a full stack application from development all the way to production, keep it as simple as possible. Learn React, GraphQL, Apollo, Mongoose with MongoDB, Material UI. If you want to get a taste of all the latest and greatest in the React ecosystem, not to mention the speech recognition and speech synthesis added on top as bonuses, stuff covering GitHub and Heroku. Check out this tutorial. That's all I can really say. All right, see you later.